Hey guys, I recently found this amazing animation by Karen Visuals and I love this box opening so much that I decided to recreate it with you. Today we will make this box animation completely from scratch, so stick around until the end to learn every step. Alright guys, so we are already in After Effects and here what we need to do, we are going to create the new composition. Let's go over here and let's choose just this preset, landscape. And guys, here we are going to start creating our box. So I'm just making the white fill and we are going to create just a shape. Never mind of the properties right now because we will make changes over here and make sure you remove this icon, so like this, and this will be our like a bottom part for 20 and here 550. We are making this shape as 3D layer, yeah, and also we need to make X rotation plus 90 and let's turn it like this. So guys, after that we are making one more shape with properties like this. And also we need to make it as a 3D layer. I want also to make anchor point set it to the middle. And we will rotate it in this way, so like this, minus 90. And guys, we will turn here the second view because we need to adjust that property. So let's see how it looks from the top. It almost as we need, so something like this. Also guys, we are going to use just a little bit the angular bevel style over here, yeah, and just a bit of extraction there, so something like this. The next part we just need to copy it and move it on another side, just like this. Guys, if you miss something just like a little bit, you will be able to fix it later. By the way, also the bottom part we are going to make the same. So here our geometry options, just a little bit of extrusion depth, angular or even convex style like this. So guys, something like this, just a little bit, we will move it in this way. So guys, approximately like this, and we need to create one more shape again, and it will be our back part. It will be about 550 and 400 as well, like this. So guys, so from the top we can see that we need to move it a bit closer to us like this. And also just a little bit to the side. And guys, if something wrong, we will be able to see it just a little bit further. Also guys, in the material options, we are going to adjust our specular shyness, so it's up to you. So you can play with it. I will just leave about 55 like this. And on all our shapes we are going to make the same. You can play also with the metal. I will leave about 65. Right now it looks like this. We need also duplicate our backside, and after that we will just move position in front of us, like closer to us in this way from the top. Let's see how it looks. So yeah, probably now it looks perfect. By the way, we can also see how it looks from the different side using this thing, orbit around cursor tool, yeah, so like this. And we can also reset it, yeah. And guys, now we need to make these opening parts as well over here, yeah. So it's also pretty easy, but we need to use our anchor point, set it to the connections of the box, so I will show you just now everything. By the way, we can already make the null object, make it a 3D layer, so like this, and we will connect everything, every shape layer we will connect to the null, And now we will use the position and we will move it just a little bit to the bottom. Also guys, I've added environment light, connected it to the HDR. By the way guys, this project file I will leave for you in our Discord community, so it will be over here, project files. And guys, also I'm already remaking this project file, so I will leave it from our Prime members, those guys who bought my course, and I will drop this file as soon as I remade it, yeah. So and if you want to become the Prime member, the link will be below this video, and there is probably a discount now. So guys, let's turn back to our box and we are making one more shape again, but make sure you connected your anchor point to the bottom over here. So guys, after you connected your anchor point to the bottom, we also will make it as 3D, and also we will change the size here, so it will be a 50 and 218 like this. So this part we will connect, but unfortunately one more time we connect our anchor point to the bottom. So this will be our part for the opening box. Set it to the back somewhere there, so also we will use the second view to see how it looks from the top. And as our anchor point connected to the bottom, we already can make some operations like this, so we will be able to close it and to open it, yeah, using the X rotation keyframes. So now let's make it in this way. By the way, we could duplicate it and we will just change our position keyframe, and from the top, let's see, yeah, like this, perfect. And absolutely the same with our X rotation, we can make already our keyframes, but we also need to make one more shape, so let's change the size. Before make it this 3D, also make sure you set the anchor point to the bottom. You need also to rotate it. Guys, right now I will turn it back to see my box more convenient. So guys, now you can see this line. So we are already at the center, but we need to move it in this way, so something like this. And also you can see here's the gap. That's because we have this Y rotation, not 90. So let's fix it. One more time, position in this way. Also guys, don't forget that you can use your material options like this. So guys, and then we just need to duplicate it once again and move it in this way. So let's see from the top. We need to adjust the position like this. So guys, I will use the convex with 1.0 extrusion depth for these opening parts. So guys, right now we can move to our beginning, and here we will close now this box for different parts. Here it will be about 70. Here it will be about 90. And here, as you remember, we will use our X rotation, so minus 90 will be just 90 like this. Also guys, don't forget to connect these 4 shape layers to our null object. Now guys, I pressed the position keyframe, so we will make an animation for our box. So we will make it appear from the bottom, yeah, like this. It will move in this way, and on the way to the top it will already like open. So here it was our orientation, so So guys, make this with every part of your opening parts. But as you can see, I'm making it with just a little bit of delay, so to make appear them separately. And one more shape, just like this. So guys, let's see how it works. Yeah guys, technically that's what we need. Just to make it looks better, we can make it faster, and also we can of course use easy east keyframes. So I'm just selecting it and pressing F9 on my keyboard. And also let's find our null. We can make appear it faster, so something like this, and then it will be slower. So let's just see how it looks. Yeah guys, it looks nice, and you can adjust different things. And also, as you can see here, I put this subscribe button inside this box. So let me show you. Yeah. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe. And you can also put there different things. So guys, for example, as you can see here, here we have different cards, yeah, that appearing from this box. You just need to make them also 3D and just put them inside. You can even make here the scale almost to 0, and then you will be able to make them like outside of this box, yeah. So just the main thing, you need to put it inside of it. And when your box will open, you will be able just to make them out. So guys, as I said, this project file will be in our Discord community. And guys, one more time, I will drop this project file for our Prime members just as soon as I will remake it. So yeah, and there are already a lot of different other project files, so also lessons. So guys, for those who bought my course, I want to just thank you so much. You helped me a lot, and I want to help you as well. So thank you so much for watching guys, that's it, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.